Hello everyone, my name is Aditi Bhadoria. I'm from Kanpur. My score in the 12th board examinations was 97.2% and my score in CUET was 909 on 1000. So starting off with CUET mocks, I was introduced by one of my friends in school who had already taken the subscription. And at first I was a little dicey about whether I should join in or not, or whether it would really be helpful to me or not. But now that I'm done with my CUETs, I do realize that it is one of those things that really helped me score the amount that I scored. And the thing is that for CUETs, CUET preparation, you just need two things. First is the NCRT reading, regular NCRT reading, and the second thing is that you need regular practice. So regular NCRT reading, I think everyone can manage on their own. You don't need any fancy coaching to tell you what you're supposed to study. And coming to the practice, I would say that over all these reference books that are in the market, I would prefer CUET mocks because first of all, you get a lot of quantity. You get, I thought I got around like 100, 200 previous year mocks. You get subject wise, chapter wise mocks. That is really helpful because a lot of times when you're, solving the whole the whole syllabus wale mocks, you miss out points where you're actually weak in. But when you start practicing that chapter wise mocks, you get more clarity about everything that you've studied. It's like you test everything that you have read. That tells you what you need to read more. And we also get personalized reviews about how we submitted our tests, like if we were too fast, if we are supposed to think more, and also the estimated percentile that we can get according to what we score. So I think that was really helpful. That gives you an idea about how it's all supposed to be. Another very helpful thing about CUET mocks was that it was totally in the layout of how the actual CUET exam is taken. So it really helped me that when I went to the center, there was nothing that surprised me. There was nothing that was a shock to me. It was very easy for me to navigate through all of the things that were happening in on my screen. And even at times where the screen shut down, I knew that it's gonna be fine because I had prior experience to doing all of that on the CUET mocks website. Whereas people who had just practiced mocks from these reference books like OSWAL and all, they had a problem navigating through all of it because it was very new to them. And there are a number of options that are displayed on your screen as well, right? So that again caused a problem to them because it's very hard to understand that for a naive person who is giving that exam for the first time. So that is something again that where I felt that CUET mocks was very helpful. I would say ditch all those fancy coachings that are gonna loot you for your money or gonna make you run for your money. Except go for these mocks because NCRT reading I feel like everyone can do on their own. That is something a person can manage even for 2 hours a day. If you do it, that's absolutely fine. That's gonna help you. And no matter how many times you read a chapter, it's never enough. NCRT reading is never enough. I would suggest that read it to the point where you actually memorize what paragraph comes after the next. That's how many times you should be reading your NCRT. I don't think you need any coaching for that. And the next point is practicing. I would always prefer CUET mocks over reference books because it's very hard because a lot of times the answer key does not match to the question. A lot of times the questions are framed wrong. The options are wrong, and you don't have any feedback. You don't have anyone to reach to when something like that happens. It takes a lot of time also to tally your score while practicing these mocks. So I would always prefer COT mocks for that. It helped me really. COT mock follows the exact same pattern that is given to us during the actual CUET exam. And it follows the exact same pattern. There is a timer monitor that's going on in the side. All the options are exactly the same. It saves a lot of time for you as well because, like I said, the reference books and all make it really hard to tally your score and stuff. So there is that. And also because you're used to the pattern, because you've been solving so many papers from that pattern in the CBT mode, exactly which you're going to do in the exam, when you actually enter your center to give your exam, then it's very easy for you. Then you don't have to worry about trying to understand the whole system before giving your exam because you're already very much familiar with the whole concept that which option means what. And especially options like marked for review, answered and marked for review, just answered, all of these, a lot of people had doubts ki, if I do answered and marked for review, will it be counted or not. And see, when you practice on CUET mocks ka platform, you get a understanding about what is going to be marked and what's not. So that is again another thing that helped me a lot. The content was like 100% authentic. There was no place where I felt like this could be better or anything because like I said, there are chapter wise mocks as well. So literally every paragraph, every line of your NCRT is covered by, if you solve them diligently, if you solve them without making a big fuss, it's very much helpful because every line, every paragraph of the NCRT has been covered. So I would say the whole syllabus, even the deleted syllabus we have available for us. So that again is really helpful because we get all the, everything that we need literally at our fingertips. CUET mocks the site that got me my college.